It's your girl, Kicks, back with another flick. If this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because it's only going to get lit. Ayy, up in this bit. And you already know what time it is. If you see the title above, new heat alert.
No heat alert.
Let's go. It ain't take me a month to record a video, y'all. I'm getting back into my mojo. And it is time. Today is what? November 29th. So if you're into shoes, you know that yesterday we had a big drop. November 28th, Saturday, we had the Air Jordan 4 Fire Red 4's. This is the OG colorway. So I feel like if you're a sneakerhead, like this was a must cop, bro. Like, how you not gonna get an OG shoe that's coming up after like years? Like, that's crazy to me. But whatever, you know, to each his own. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Yes. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. This is actually only my second pair of 4's. The first pair of 4's I got actually probably last year, honestly. And I only spent like 80 bucks on them. I got the bread 4's. Kind of came up on those. And now I have number 2. And of course I had to do it right, man. It's an OG shoe. Like, yeah. So with my story, it's crazy. We were closed for a little bit. And let's see. We did not get our shipment in the men's sizes on the kids. So with that being said, if you guys don't know, normally if a store does not get their shipment in time, because you know a lot of the shoe stores do like raffle reservations now, we kind of have to wait to get that word from higher up to tell us whether or not we can or cannot sell the shoe. We never really know. So I mean, it's cool that you ask, but honestly, we can't. We be lying to you. We tell you something because we never know what they'll tell us to do with the shoes. So yes, I did get my pair from Kids Foot Locker because I did not know if we were going to get the kids shoes. That's the cool thing about working with at a sneaker store, because you kind of have to network with other stores, you know, kind of get cool with other managers so they can kind of look out for you if your store is not getting a shoe, you know, or if you have a dilemma where you don't know if when the shipment is coming and you just, you know, you want to get that shoe for a personal pair. So, of course, you want to, you know, I wanted them personally. But yeah, like I said, let's go ahead and get into the box. We got the OG box too. This is actually my first OG box for the 4's, because the first ones I got, they didn't come in a box because I did get them used. But you can go ahead and look right there. We have the Air Jordan 4 Retro GS, Grade School GS. White, fire red, black, tech gray. Size 5, you know, that's my true to size. Sometimes I can fit a 5.5. Sometimes depending on the shoe, I can actually fit a 4.5 too. My feet are super weird. Retail is $140. I actually got lucky. I put it right there, and I paid about, not lucky, but you know, the perks. Paid about $103, $104 for the shoe. So, hey man, that's the one clutch thing about working, you know, at a shoe store. That employee discount definitely works out. But let's go ahead and open this box up and get into the shoe. I really haven't looked at it for real, so what y'all seeing is what I'm seeing, honestly. Open that box up. Let's see. So, you know, this tissue paper is not regular tissue paper. You can see that. Yep. Go ahead and open it up. I'm left-handed, so I like to pull out the left shoe first. And it's like a ta-da! Oh my God. Oh my goodness gracious. And I know I said I don't like majority white shoes, but like I said, this is an OG colorway. Like white, black, and red, I'm always gonna go for it, dudes. Yes, go ahead and get into that. Now, quick glance real quick. Me being me, there are some things I don't like. I feel like Nike or whoever Nike got to make these shoes, they did a rush job. I'm seeing a lot of glue down here, and I don't know if you guys know, you can always get like a heat gun and do all of that extra stuff. But I shouldn't have to do all that extra stuff for a $140 shoe, man, for real. Let's see, if I get up on it, can you guys see, like, there's like some little dots right there. The glue isn't the best. Look at that. See a little dent, a couple little dents in it. I'm not too happy with that. Check on the back. Yeah. Look at that, man. So, quality-wise, I'm not 100% impressed, honestly. They could have done a lot better with the quality, especially when people are paying their money, dog. Like, I know you guys are trying to get it out. It's the only thing about, like, I feel like shoes that come out in that November, December time, that holiday time, they produce so many of the same shoe. Like, people get a little lazy. People start slacking. I don't like that. I don't like that. Alright, but yes, let's go ahead and get into it. As you can see, we have the classic white. We have the white net up here. Shoe only comes with the white laces, of course. A nice red. I love it because we have the Nike Air on the back, which is a thing that a lot of people like. Nike Air, including myself. Gives it that OG look. And yeah. I didn't have the pair that came out a few years ago. They also have under here, we got the gray, white, red. Also gray back here. You know, the red Jumpman. I don't know too many of the differences between this one and the one that came out a few years back. You got the regular Flight Jumpman up there. Let's see, take that on out. On the insole, got the regular Nike Air up there. You know, so overall, I think this is a dope shoe though. I really do. I'm kind of scared about wearing these, dude. I think I'm gonna have to get some force fields. Even when I press down like that, like, see if I can really show y'all. When I press down like, I got force fielded up, son. Oh my God, I'm not gonna wear these for a long time. Y'all, I still haven't even worn my fire red full. Oh, child. I haven't even worn my fire red 4's, and I think it's because, like, the same reason, dude. Does it do the same thing? Yeah, dog. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. These, like, I can't deal with the creases in these type of shoes, man. Like, the only shoe that I'm okay with having creases in is, like, ones. I like it because it gives, like, a little wear and tear look, honestly. I don't care about my ones creasing. I like the look. But yeah, dog. Oh, matter of fact, hold on. So I know I got this one from my job, but I actually, you know, I always try to help my family and friends get a shoe because sometimes it's a little harder for them. They like shoes, but they don't know the whole process of getting a shoe. So, you know, I try to go the little extra mile because I would hope somebody would do the same for me. So I did get another. I got a men's size right here that I can pull out and maybe compare it real quick. I know the only difference between the men's and the kids really is that it has the orange tag. Do y'all keep the orange tag on? I would hope not. That's almost like daggone that's the StockX tag. Imagine having a StockX tag and the shoe is still fake. Like, I don't trust it. Don't trust StockX. Yeah, so the only difference between this one, the men's size, and the grade school size is the tag. For real. So I'm looking. Both have the Nike Air on the back. This shoe came in a full-size family run, which I like. I love these for the family. And yes, y'all. Yes, sir. So there you have it. First look, open box for the Fire Red 4's. You know I'm going to put them on my feet, do a little walk in them. I think I may go outside. It's a little nice outside. I don't have any intentions on reselling these or anything. So definitely this is a personal pair. Actually, ooh, wasn't I just talking about the creases? I don't know, y'all. I don't think I'll put these on my feet right now. I don't got no force fields or nothing. So we're just going to do a little video of them so you can get a close look of them. And yeah. So go ahead and stay tuned. We'll be right back.